Hi, you guys. So those who are new to my channel, my name is Anu. I'm a professional makeup artist from Delhi. I just recently had a story post on my Instagram account and asked you guys what Diwali look you want to see, and many of you opted for the shimmery eyes instead of the glitter eyes, and so is my personal choice this season because this corona thing has hardly left us, to go and greet people around us. So keeping that in mind, in festive season I want to keep very things light on my face, not too much of glitter, not a very heavy base, though I will show you options, if you want to create that look. We are planning to just have a simple shimmer look, glowy base for you guys, and use the drugstore products easily available on Nike or any other store nearby you. And please do recreate this look and don't forget to tag me. I hope you enjoyed this video. So starting the video, I am going to start wearing my lenses. These are Olens lenses, I think in color brown. uh, yep, looks very natural, so I like these. I'm gonna wear the other one and come back. So here I'm taking the PAC Cosmetics concealer and just creating a base for the eyes and setting it up with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. You can take any loose powder. I've taken this eyeshadow palette of, I think, Blazed Beauty. This is a very old palette. About 2 years back I took this palette, and trust me, you can never go wrong with this palette. I have created so many looks and it's a very safe, play safe palette. I picked up a light mauve tone for the transition, and I'm taking a bit of darker color in the pink tones only, pink mauve tones, just to create an outer, color adding up in a outer crease with a tapered brush. So I'm not going till the center, just the outer corners, and slightly taking it up, for a smoother looking way. Taking it again, taking some again and placing it on the outer corners. So you can see it has added a little depth to the eyes. And now I have taken even a smaller brush, like a pencil brush, and taken a darker brown color, just to create little more depth on the outside, and with a blending brush just softening the edges if any created. And this is a Maybelline palette I've taken using the golden shimmer. Now these all these palettes are very easily available for you guys. So, and if you have any other palette, you're free to use that. Just a gold shimmer I've added, since I did not wanted a very, glitter sheen. Sorry for that, sheen look. So I just placed it with those glitters, and again taking this brown from the palette and blending it across so that there is no edges in between. The shimmer and the blends look seamless. Now, and this, what I've taken is a Forever 52 liquid shadow. Just taking it slightly on the brush because again I didn't want it too much on my eyes. I was, going to wish somebody on Diwali, so I didn't want it a very flashy kind of a makeup. So this is perfect for a very sheen look. Just spreading it across the brush on my eye and just going it till the center. Now these are the shampoo pencils I have used to create a liner effect. Now I've used it with a brush slightly to give it a very soft diffused liner look. You can see how I'm spreading it slightly on the lash line to give it a liner effect. Now these are the lashes that I've used. I've already applied them. And for moisturizing, I'm taking Nivea. It's a very heavy duty moisturizer. This is the first time I tried. Now correction, I've taken LA Girl and Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 40 to cover any of the pigmentations that I've got, spreading it across any dark spots that may appear um, on the chin, under the eyes, on the forehead, temple. So anywhere you feel pigmented, you can mix these shades and apply. Now for the foundation, I have taken Maybelline Fit Me and True Match. True Match, I really liked it. I have taken it in a more quantity because it's a very sheer kind of a foundation, and Fit Me is a slight drop of it to give it a little stay on effect. As you can see, I'm spreading it across with a brush across my face, all over equally. doing the other side also, and then dabbing it with the beauty blender. For highlighting, I'm using again Maybelline Fit Me in shade 25, very slightly, because I don't want too much of an effect of highlighted areas and all. So just in a smaller quantity, spreading it across the face, and then again, with the beauty blender, you can spread it and settle it down on your face. So it gives a very natural skin like finish to your face. Now for bronzing, I've taken LA Girl, easily again available on any of the store for contouring. Slightly bronzed effect, not too much, nothing harsh, just a very soft diffused contouring look. And this is the L'Oreal, blush in dual shade, floral shade. So just patting it over the contour area, but I've also added Sugar's pink color because it looked too tangerine to me, so I wanted to add a little pink tone to it. Now this highlighter that I have used is a very pressed form of color bar highlighter, and I've just applied it with the fingers. I didn't use any brush, and this is the only highlighter I have used for the face. With spreading it across my finger, and gently, it just gives a very sheen effect. For brows, I've taken L'Oreal pomade. Again, I wanted to keep a very natural finish. Now coming to the under eye, I've taken the same palette with the brush and spreading it across, just giving a diffuse softer look. For kajal, I have used Plum, kohl pencil. It's a nice pencil and easily available again on Nykaa and even on the stores. I'm using the same highlighter for my brows, highlight points. Now for lippers, I have taken this. This is a color bar pencil. I will link it down the name. And the lipsticks are from Forever 52. I've used two shades. Again, I wanted to keep a lighter tones of pinks. So I've used this one and a nude one to give it a little more subtle, lip shade. Now for adding a little gloss, now this is the Kiko gloss. You can opt for any other gloss if you have. So just to give a little shine on the lips, I have added these. It gives a nice glossy kind of an effect. So this is a complete look, guys, that I have created. Soft shimmery eyes, dewy kind of a look on the face, glossy lips. Perfect for Diwali, festive season. Not too much on the face going on, but yes, simple glam look. Perfect for the evening. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. So this is the final look, guys. I have created shimmery eyes with soft lips, a little bit sheen on the cheeks with drugstore products. Please do tell me how do you like the look, and do recreate and tag me. Thank you for watching. Happy Diwali.